What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Mzfancyy, and I'm coming to you today with this tutorial on how to do these brows, girl. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know these brows. I play those games when it comes to brows. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what I use for my brows. It's so simple, but you know, not everybody's good at doing their brows, girl. Believe me, I was the same chick. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't do these brows. I was getting the wrong colors, you know, and all that jazz. But you know, I finally found something I'm comfortable with and I love. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I use for these brows. So this is what I've been using. I was using, I think it was like an Urban Decay dip brow, I think. I can't remember. But now, currently, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow and pomade. And the color that I use is soft brown. Hopefully you can see that. And I love this stuff. It's amazing. It took me a while to use it because I didn't know if I liked it, because I wasn't used to it. You know how you switch to something else and you just be like, girl. I grew to love it, and as you can see, I'm beating the mess out of this stuff. So this is what I use. And to conceal under my brow, fill in my brow, I use this pencil. I think I got this from Urban Decay. Nope, this is a Tarte. This is what I use to clean it up. And this is a F pencil. I got this like, I don't know. It was probably been like 7 or 10 years ago. It had been 10 years. Probably been about 7 years since I've had this, and I still love this. I paid $1 for this. This is back in the day when Elf was like, not noticeable, but it was shit popping. Nobody really knew about it, you know. But I paid $1 for this pencil, and I'm not using nothing else unless, you know, unless my baby give up. Oh, we don't give up on me, girl. Don't do it. Yeah, that's all that I use to fill in these brows. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. The first thing I do, and this is really difficult because I'm doing this on camera. I have no mirror in front of me. But yeah, I just go ahead and shape my brows how I normally do. Just make sure they're in order. A lot of people don't know you must clean your brows. Sometimes when you've used it so many times and you never cleaned it, it just don't come out right. I've learned that by doing my brows. And this thing need cleaning so bad, y'all. All of my makeup brushes need cleaning so bad. But I have to be quiet. I can't talk when I do my brows. You gotta concentrate. Am I the only one else like that? You can't talk when you do your makeup or your brows or something. Like, you have to, that's the only way you can like concentrate raw. Okay, you see that arch, girl? Do the same thing on this side. I'm just doing the shape. I'm just shaping my brow how I want it to look. Now I'm gonna do the top. Your main focus is to make sure you fill in those gaps, those holes, those creases. And if you're looking at this good enough, when I get towards the front of my brow, this side is all messed up. But that's fine. That's what we have concealer for. On one side might be darker than the other, but it's okay. Like I said, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. But no, when I get towards the front, let me show you this side. I just turn it sideways and I'll go up, because there's some product on that brush And that way it don't put too much on it. It's like a light coat. And what I'm gonna do now is just brush the front of it just to clean it up a little bit. Because I like that shadow effect where it look like there's not nothing towards the front of the brow, if that makes sense. See how dark it is right here? All right, so this is what I do. I get just a little bit. You don't want too much on it because I feel like it just, sometimes it can be too thick, too much, if that makes sense. And I'm going to clean up the bottom first. So I'm gonna take this elf brush. I'm just gonna do that. Go right up under where I want it to stop. And if y'all want a tutorial on how I clean my eyebrows, let me know. Just leave a comment down below. And I will do a tutorial on how I clean my brows because they need cleaning. So I can actually do a video on that this week too. And that's literally it. I use the same color that I use at the bottom on the top. Some people don't. Some people use the color of their skin. Me, it's just like I'm gonna work with what I got. So yes, I'm gonna do the top for you. I'm gonna show you guys. At first I wasn't gonna record it, but I'm gonna show you what I literally do. So that way y'all can see everything that I do. I use my fingers to just clean up my brows. Some people get, you know, brushes to clean up. Whatever you like to use, you use it, girl. But I use my hand. You just gotta be careful. Like once you do it for so long, you'll know. You'll get used to it. You just have to take your time, girl. That's basically it. All that light that you see, once you put on your full makeup, you can get like powder of your choice. That's your color complexion, and just put it on top of where you see the concealer, and that will fade. They'll fade in with the rest of your skin because I know it looks really light right now. But the purpose of this video is just to show you how I do my brows. And I always like to take the spoolie and just clean her up because, girl, we need some clean brows, okay? And that's it. I'm telling y'all, simple, girl. And then you could, you know what I'm saying? Girl, you be like, you'll be IG ready for these pictures, girl. So, if you like this video and you want other tutorials on makeup, like eyes or lips, whatever it is, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this, girl. And subscribe. That's what's more important, girl. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That way I know that you love this content. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye.